To access the manual release for the electronic door latch, remove the bottom service panel. Reach up inside the front panel to grasp the manual release handle, as shown here. Pull downward on the handle to unlock the door. Now partially remove the boot to access the latch assembly. At the 6 o'clock position of the boot, peel it back to find the spring clamp. Pull outward with a long nose plier and begin to roll the clamp off of the boot. Remove these 3 screws securing the switch assembly to the front panel. Partially peel back the boot at the 3 o'clock position. Reach in and grasp the switch to work it out of the boot. This is the manual release handle used to unlock the door if immediately necessary. Unplug the Molex connectors to remove the switch for servicing. For door removal, begin by removing these 4 screws securing the hinge cover. Remove these 2 screws securing the hinge door plate to the door frame. Carefully lift the door off of the door hinge plate. To remove the door plate from the hinge, drive the pin upward using a suitable punch. As with any time using a hammer, be sure to wear adequate eye protection. Grasp the top of the pin with pliers to completely remove it. Remove these 6 screws to separate the hinge from the front cover. To disassemble the door, lay the door flat on a protected surface and remove these 2 screws securing the plunger, along with 6 screws securing the inner door cover. This will allow access to replacement of the inner door glass. Once the screws are removed, lift the inner door cover off. The inner door glass can now be lifted out. Remove these 5 screws securing the protective cover and ring to the door frame. Lift the door slightly off its support and press the tab shown here to release the protective glass and ring. The outer door and handle are one assembly. This concludes this training video.